name is J.D. Schmidt with Ray Boats. Thank you for taking the time to check out the 240 Sun Deck. A beautifully crafted boat engineered with every bit of luxury, style, and performance you've come to expect from Ray. Whether you're out with your family for an action-packed day on the lake or cruising the intercoastal for an intimate sunset, the 240 Sun Deck delivers a pleasurable experience day after day. From bow to stern, the 240 Sun Deck was designed with your family in mind, and it's loaded with features engineered to maximize your enjoyment on the water. But most of all, this legendary boat was developed as a place to create countless memories with family and friends. Coast Guard approved for 13 passengers, the 240 Sun Deck will accommodate virtually any occasion. Let's take a closer look, starting up front. Check out not just the depth of the bow, but the width. It can easily accommodate 4 adult passengers or have more than enough room for 2 to spread out comfortably. You can even option for a filler cushion, turning the bow into a giant sun pad. But check this out. You want to turn up the chill factor? How about these flip down armrests? Now that's comfort. Plus, we've got 2 weatherproof speakers in addition to the 2 in the cockpit to keep everybody rocking throughout the boat. The seats are ergonomic, and you'll notice the grab handle is perfectly positioned to provide safety and comfort while underway. A unique feature at the bow of the 240 Sun Deck is this large hatch that conceals the forward 4-step folding ladder for easy access to and from the bow. There's also room to store your anchor. Notice how the inside of the lid is smooth. Most manufacturers make this part out of an open molded fiberglass that leaves a rough surface inside. At Ray, we make these parts using a closed molded process that yields a stronger part that is finished on both sides. Just one of the many quality touches you'll see throughout the boat. And the stainless steel latch keeps the lid secure and quiet while underway. Next to the ladder, we've positioned an optional spray-out hose to rinse off your anchor. For more bow storage, the port and starboard cushions hinge 90 degrees on uniquely designed hinges that support the cushion in the upright position. You can see how spacious these storage compartments are, and the smooth finish gives them a nice, clean look. Under the middle cushion is additional storage. And as we return to the cockpit and helm area, notice the standard bow block-off door for added wind protection on long cruises or cool mornings. You'll also find a storage compartment with dedicated table storage and the stereo system protecting it from the elements. The windshield on the 240 Sun Deck has been uniquely designed for added strength and durability. Moving back to the helm, the dash features full instrumentation, SmartCraft diagnostics, backlit gauges with glass lenses, and low glare blue night lighting to improve visibility. And to the left of the helm, you'll find a digital stereo remote. And the aircraft style toggle switches light up when in the on position for added safety at night. The uniquely crafted Ray steering wheel easily tilts to the driver's preference. The helm itself is a beautifully stitched, plush bucket seat that moves fore and aft conforming to the driver's size and comfort. And the standard flip-up bolster provides comfortable seating below the windshield or open-air boating and great visibility sitting up in the wind. The seat also swivels so the captain can become part of the conversation while at anchor. On the port side, you'll find the enclosed head compartment with a large lockable door and standard porta potty. Not to mention, it's a great place to store your things when you leave the boat or grab a bite to eat at your local on-water restaurant. Check out the standard snap-in carpet liner for extra style and comfort. This high-density carpet with rubber backing is the perfect thickness for comfort, and it'll hold up for years of use. Beneath the snap-in carpet, you'll find a big storage well for skis and wakeboards, so you're not constantly walking around them all day. And the stainless steel latch secures the lid from any obnoxious rattling you may experience with some other boats. The portside seating allows the passenger to sit forward while underway or transforms into an expansive lounger with a convertible backrest. The L-shaped port lounger maximizes comfort for several passengers. Beneath it, you've got a storage unit that actually extends all the way to the rear and can be accessed from the swim platform. The 240 Sun Deck also comes standard with a table, 12-volt accessories, and even a portable cooler beneath the rear cushion. And check out the rear cup holders built right into the bench seat. Keep in mind, the 240 Sun Deck comes standard with a bimini top for added protection on those long days in the sun. All Ray bimini tops are secured to the boat with this special ball and socket quick release hardware that is easy to put on and remove. It even has a nylon insert to keep the bimini quiet. There's also an optional folding tower with integrated bimini for water sports enthusiasts. Lift up the sun pad for easy access to the massive engine compartment. On this particular stern drive 240 sun deck, the noise-insulated, gel-coated engine compartment houses a MerCruiser 4.5 MPI with Bravo 3. That's 250 horsepower. MerCruiser's new engine designs are truly purpose-built for the marine environment, and the 4.5 provides V8 power with V6 fuel efficiency. The 240 sun deck is also available with multiple fuel-injected V8 choices for those seeking more power. And if you're looking for an outboard, you can opt for a 200XL, 250, or 300 horsepower Mercury Verado 4-stroke engine. The transom walkthrough offers easy access to the sun pad and swim platform. It also incorporates an extra storage compartment for gear and equipment. Notice the acrylic transom door to block off the swim platform. As we move back to the swim platform, let's talk about another wonderfully unique feature of the sun pad. Watch how it transforms into a backrest. For those times when the conversation moves from the bow to the swim platform, simply pull up on the cushion and enjoy a change of scenery. But don't forget your beverage for your 2-cup holders positioned within arm's reach of the sun pad. Nice addition, huh? The swim platform itself is deep and wide for extra stability. Concealed within the platform, you'll find a stainless steel 3-step ladder for easy boarding. You can also opt for SeaDeck matting for added comfort, and this really cool integrated submersible swim platform that folds down easily into the water. If you feel like rinsing off after a swim, the 240 sun deck also comes standard with a pressurized water tank offering a shower at the swim platform. Let's talk quality and design for just a minute. Sea Ray employs a world-class team committed to designing, engineering, and building the world's best boats. From our dedicated product development facility in the east coast of Florida, we can thoroughly develop, test, and perfect each model before it ever goes into production. It starts with a wide beam that extends aft. While most manufacturers reduce width towards the rear, Sea Ray has kept the beam wide almost the full length of the boat. This provides the great space up top and helps the boat feel more stable at rest. The 240 sun deck utilizes our unique Grip 6 hull design that incorporates 6 full-length strakes along the bottom of the hull with aggressive outer edges or chines. These strakes and chines provide lift, improve tracking, and soften the ride. The extra width, combined with the Grip 6 hull design, delivers an on-water experience second to none. Bottom line, this Sea Ray goes where you point it like a sports car while maintaining the safety, comfort, and control you want with your family on board. In addition to the 240 sun deck we've been looking at, Sea Ray also offers a 22-foot version called the 220 sun deck that has many of the same features we have seen on the 240, including the well-configured oversized bow with available forward boarding ladder, a modern ergonomically designed helm, a fully enclosed storage compartment with available head, and a large deep cockpit with ample seating. And like the 240, the 220 sun deck is also available with several stern drive and outboard propulsion options. With either model, choose from a vibrant array of fade-resistant gel coat colors to reflect your style. Whether it's the 220 or 240, both have something unique to offer. So get out and drive the 240 sun deck and feel how perfectly Sea Ray has crafted such quality, luxury, and versatility into this great family boat. For Sea Ray Boats, I'm JD Schmidt, and I can't wait to see you and your family on the water.